Hi, third graders. It is Miss Holford again, here to help you plan out your persuasive writing. After watching today's video, it showed you that not only do we need to plan out our reasons, but we also need to provide some examples to strengthen our writing and also make it long and strong. Okay, so in the past, we've already defined our audience as teachers. We need more recess time. And then I gave 4 different reasons. Again, this is just an example to follow. You should not be using this exact piece as your writing piece. This is just an example to model for you. So today what we're going to do is we're going to take the 4 reasons and we are going to add examples to it. Again, you have 2 choices. You can either plan just on paper like I am right now, or you can plan on the Google Doc, which I will show you afterwards. So today I'm just going to add some stars in here. And this is where I'm going to write my examples. Again, these do not need to be complete sentences yet. This is just you planning out your thinking. Okay, so what is an example or evidence that would support it's fun? Well, I could talk about that there's really no assignments or schedule. You just play. So do you see how I'm adding evidence to support my reason 1? Okay. What's some evidence that I could say to play with friends? Well, I could talk about that maybe I have friends in other classes that I don't get to see as much. So I could say friends in other classes. Get a chance to see them. Okay, now what's evidence maybe that I could add for reason number 3 of we need longer breaks? I could maybe talk about we do have a lot of learning that goes on, so maybe your body needs to get up and move, like kind of like a brain break. So sorry, I'm kind of going off the page there. And then the last one that I said, again, option, it's just an option to do an extra reason, was it's healthy. So a reason that I could, some evidence that I could say here is it helps build muscle, your heart rate goes up, maybe it gives you more energy. So this is all evidence to support a reason. So this was option number 1, was to do it on a piece of paper. Now I'm going to show you option number 2 on the computer. So if you chose to start yesterday on the computer, you should already have your copy of the document with the name in there. And then you are going to start, you're just going to continue on. So this is the document that we had that I started yesterday. Remember, we labeled it and named it Persuasive and your name. I have Persuasive Bob. And then I wrote down my reasons, and then I can just add my examples underneath it. If you decided to do this, it is a good idea to go ahead and press that share button up in the corner here to share with your teacher the document. So you say share, and then you just add your teacher's name, and then you say done. So you share that document, and you only have to share it once. If you did not choose to do this on the computer, you will then share it tomorrow or the next day when you decide to start flash drafting.